So we are at the train station right now, and I'm a little bit choked up. So we are at the train station right now, and I'm a little bit choked up because this is the first thing that we see that is really recognizable of being in Australia. And I don't know if I mentioned it before, I guess I did, but I've always dreamed of coming to Australia. You know, the pictures that you see online is always of Sydney and the Opera House and the big bridge and stuff. And we're still at the train station, just like standing still and taking in the view. It's just a bit of emotional because I've always wanted to come here, and now we are basically standing here. It's a special moment. I'm gonna show you what we are looking at right now. Yep, we are in Sydney. We are walking right beside the Opera House. Oh my gosh, this thing is so huge. And if you look at it from real up close, it's basically tiles. But yo, it is an amazing view. Oh my god. I wish I had words to describe, but I don't. It looks very nice. I'm gonna show you the tiles. Maybe I can show you that is really only tile work. I'll show you, wait. Right across from it is the bridge. I'm gonna show you the bridge. 1 second. Do you spot those two flags? There's the flag of Australia and of the Aboriginals. And if you can look real close, you can see people above as well. Apparently you can walk across the bridge. Crazy.